Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Mivumbi, and today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can remove watermark into from your image. The last video I did is how to remove watermark from your video. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch that one. And in this video I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from your image. It's very simple, easy, anyone can do this. So first thing first, we need to use this AI, Superwork AI. So if you don't have that, go to Google, type Superwork AI. This is the one here. Can you see this? This is the one here. Once you get this one, Superwork AI, click this one, go and sign in with them. You can use your Gmail account. It's very simple and easy. Once you're there, this is going to be your dashboard here. When you get to your dashboard here, come here, down here, we want image watermark remove. Okay, so once this one is popped, upload your image you want to remove watermark. Now let's see here. We want to use this one. Let's use this one first. We got two here. I'm talking about this kind of watermark here. You see this watermark. So once you here, click the come here, click brush, and you start to brush. We go around all where there's a watermark. Okay, right, when you finish this, click confirm. Once you confirm here, click create. Once you create, AI is going to start to remove the watermark. Give them like 2 minutes. The image is going to be ready, clear, without watermark. By the way, if you are new to my channel, my name is Bivumbi, and if you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate all your love and support. And now there we have it. That's our images here. Is nice and clean. And once you finish this, you click here, you come down here, you see my arrow here, you come down here, click download. Once you download that, your image is going to be in your computer. Okay, let me show you quick another how to remove watermark from your video. Now come here, video watermark remove. Click this one, go find your video you want to remove watermark. Let's see here which video I have here. I got this one here. Okay, once you here, this is watermark I'm talking about. You see this one, this is the watermark I'm talking about. Most of these video generator AI, most of them, when they give free version, they usually, those videos, they come with watermark. So if you want to remove this watermark, upload your video here, click the brush, come here, brush everywhere where there's a watermark, you brush it, and once you finish, click confirm. It's the same like the way you do the image, and click create. Once you've done that, give few minutes. Your video is going to be ready in a few minutes, and the watermark is going to go away. There we have it. Our image is nice and clear. Can you see this? All the watermark is gone. And once you finish that, click here, download. Is going to be in your computer. And that's it. That's the end of the video. If you got any question, or if there's anything you want to learn or want to know, please let me know down below this video. Thank you so much for coming, and please subscribe. Until next time, this is Mivumbi. Take care. Bye.